Good evening and welcome to my second edition on how to create YouTube channel or live WhatsApp lectures. It's good to have you all here, and before we commence, like the previous one, we started from how to create email before we got to how to create YouTube channel. Before I proceed, I want to prepare all your minds towards something. And the preparation is, you want to learn how to create YouTube channel. What would you use it for after learning it? Or do you want to learn it and start selling the knowledge? Do you want to learn it and start making money with it? Fine. After learning this stuff, it would be nice for you to start making money from it, like have a skill, have a talent, have one or two things to showcase to the world, because you are not supposed to learn these and start moping at people. And remember, whatever you learn for free, you are not supposed to be billing people for it. You need to pass the knowledge up. Some of us have even learned all these things with our hard-earned money. We are not saying it is compulsory for people to pay for it. It's a voluntary payment. I don't force people to pay for whatever I learn with money. Because if I die today, or if I live here today, there must be something I have to drop for somebody to remember me with. And this is what I'm doing. So I don't attach too much importance to collecting money from stuffs I pay for to learn. It is my own way of making impact. Anybody that feel like motivating me or saying thank you, fine, I will appreciate it, but I don't say it is a must. So let's proceed from this point. At this juncture, we are going to start by logging into our email address. Before you start, make sure you have a serviceable email address. That is Gmail, to be precise. As soon as you log into your Gmail account, you go straight to where my mouse is pointing at. Just see Google account. You see Google account, to display the name of the owner of that account. You come to this particular point where it's showing Google Apps. When you get there, you left click. Your computer mouse have two sides to click, the left and the right. So the left is always for command, while the right click is always for option. So you left click to bring out this particular box containing some menu here. Now you go straight to YouTube. After clicking on YouTube, something will appear like this. You have something on this screen. Automatically, YouTube know you want to activate something. Now you go straight to this place. You see, when you get here, where my mouse is pointing at, when you get here, you go down, create channel. You go down, see YouTube Studio. I think you will be thinking, why not create channel? No, go to YouTube Studio straight. By the time you click on YouTube Studio, it will come up. This is where it will come. Use a business or other name or this or that. Go straight to this. By the time you come here, you see where I clicked. Let me go back so that I'll show you. I want to make sure you get everything bit by bit. Don't click on create immediately. Don't cancel. Come to this particular place. You see, use a business or other name. You are indirectly telling YouTube that you don't want to open this YouTube channel for personal use. You want to open this channel so that you use it for business, and that is where they are going to take you seriously. Everything that gets to that particular brand account, this is how to create brand account. It's not just how to create YouTube channel account. Now, this is how to create your brand account. everything that gets to this particular brand account will be given due attention by YouTube management. So you know how to do this, and you know how to run your stuff. So now, which name am I going to use? Let me say Joe. I'll use my name this time around to create this one. This is to create a new channel, create a brand account. So now this is brand account name. We are creating straight. By the time you click on that create, you wait. If your network is smart, it will load very fast. My network is delaying me. That is why it's behaving this way. Now it will come up this way. If you like, you learn more. If you like, you leave it. You see this? This is where it comes. Go back to that particular place you were working. Now, when you get here, this is where you do all the settings required. You've gotten a brand account already. This is where the settings are required. If you want to know how to create YouTube channel, this is how it goes. This is where you are going to start your settings. By your left, you see all these things, you are supposed to change it. When you click, it will take you to a place where you'll be able to change your picture. If you like, you upload a video and get started. If you like, go back. But let's go back to where we were working, the main channel, and do the necessary settings before we talk of uploading videos. Now you come here, you go to settings, and you click on settings. You see all these things. You go to channel. This general is to show you, for you to choose how you want to get paid by YouTube channel. This is the monetization process we are going through. This is to show how you want to get paid by YouTube channel now. By the time you get to this place, normally you select USD, which is automatic. Don't worry about that since you are not yet eligible for payment. Leave there, take your mouse straight to channel. From channel, you see, you select your country, which is Nigeria. What's the keyword you want to use? Joe, let me just use anything I want to use for now. Then you go straight to advanced. This advanced, I want to review these settings for every video, which means any video you upload, they are going to ask you to know if your video is for children or for adults. So by the time you set it like this, I want to review these settings for every video. It will restrict so many things. It will enable so many comments to display when you upload videos. So now you scroll down. Before you move to branding, before you move to feature eligibility. Now they have enabled your video uploads. Now you go back to advanced settings. You scroll your mouse down. This is your mouse. You scroll up, you scroll down. Then you come straight to advanced channel settings. When you get to advanced channel setting, you will see so many things here. Let me draw my camera close. You see so many things. If you like, you change the name. If you like, you change your picture. The country, you change your country here. Nigeria. Channel keywords. Let me just use Joe. You can use anything you like. Disable interest-based ads. No, don't disable. Link your YouTube channel to an AdWords for video. All these ones, it will take you a long process to create your AdWords account, but it's not necessary. Channel recommendations. Allow my channel to appear in other channels recommendation. Yes. Then subscriber count. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. That is if you do not want people to see the number of subscriptions you have, you can still disable it here. Then now it is good to display it so that when people look at it, they will know how fast you are growing. Now Google Analytics property tracking is not necessary. Then you come here, go back. When you come here, you save. Now your changes will be saved. Now you go straight, you come here at the top of your screen, you click return to your YouTube studio after you save what you did. When you click like this, it will come back. Now you come back to monetization is here, subtitles, videos and other things are here. Don't go there yet. Go to settings again, then go to upload default. All these things, title and the rest, permission if you want another person to manage your YouTube account, community, all this, moderator and the rest, agreements and so on and so forth. You come back here, come back to channels. When you get to channels, you click on customize. You click on customize YouTube channel.